Vanguard Football Tournament. Third runner-up for Binyan Football Tournament. Champion for Football Cup Philippines 2025. Champion for Kabataan Football Festival. Champion for Mixed Mountain Kids Intercolor Football Tournament. First runner-up for Amigos Youth Football Cup. First runner-up for First Inasal Football Cup. Champion for Mizimo Football Cup. First runner-up for Second Binyan Football Tournament. First runner-up for Kabataan Football Festival 2026. And first runner-up for Ropa Football Cup 2026. Responsible Class Officer. Champion for Axis Football Cup category. And second place for Gymnastics Sports Clinic Santa Rosa 2025.
Flores Rima Linda L., bronze medalist in essay writing contest.
Yaslani Bianca Luis B.,